Let me show you my trades taken on Monday, April 24th, using my system, Creative Fiber system. So let's get started here. This is let me show you first my Telegram where I sent out the messages when I saw the setup. EJ and GJ making longs, right? So after that, for example, this was the long setup was building. And it has 4 conditions. Once I have 4 conditions, the alarm start beeping and I come and take the trade. So this was the trade. Yellow is above the black, price coming here, red candles and coming out with blue candles, and then this indicator is all the way down going to the upside. The SL is always 25 pip right behind this low. And this one went, let me show you here. Again, my Telegram, I posted the target as well. EJ target is 48.40. And you can see here, it went straight up to 48.40 today, right? Earlier. So this is the first one, 100 pip. This is the second one, GJ, as I said here on the Telegram, that GJ target is 67.98. And it was right there, 67.98, but I closed here earlier with 85 pip because I was sleepy and I had to go to sleep. And the third trade today was also, I didn't post on the Telegram though, but this is a USD franc, and it is a short for 55 pips. So altogether, 3 trades, 240 pip in one day using this system. That's how it's very important to have a good system. And, the system keeps the human emotions out of the trading business, right? And you don't make mistakes. Then you have to follow the system strictly, and this is the result, right? So if you like what you saw, you want to get this system, you want to be a part of my group on the Telegram, where I put the heads up and all that you just saw. So go on my website or right here and subscribe. You can click here on subscribe, and you will see these different options and all of that, PayPal, credit card, whatever, right? And I also have this one-on-one course if you are new to this business and you want to learn, become a master of not only this strategy, but the whole business, including you can trade this with the system that my Creative IB system, anything like gold, silver, commodities, or metals, or oil, or any stocks or indices, anything, S&P 500, DAX, whatever you want to trade. It's just a different settings, and that's what I teach in my webinars. I do webinars twice a week, and I explain everything there. That I give out weekly charts like this to my subscribers, about the setup and everything. That this is what's going to happen, and we use my system to make the precise entries, and the system, once the setup is there, the alarm beeps, and that's it. Then you pull the trigger if there are a few things to watch, and then after that you open the trade and close. And the target, the very important thing is to find the right target. That is also I teach how to find. And then most of the pairs, they travel around 100 people more every single day, so you should not close. When you make an entry, see how much daily range is left over, and then you go for that, right? And 70, 80, 100 pip. If the daily range is too high, yeah, hold on to the trade, because the pair goes to that target, to the daily range. Close by. All right, so this is it for now. Like I said, that if you like, just go on my website and subscribe and be a part of my group. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and like the video if you really like the video, right? All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.